Dear students, we learned in the previous video square from 1 to 25. Now we have to learn up to 1 to from 1 to 10, and then we have to learn from 11 to 25. Easy way to recall this: first you have to concentrate on this part. Suppose your value is 1. 1 square is, make a 3 lines. Put square of 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1. Now multiply 1 with 1 into 2, means 1 into 1 into 2. Now concentrate on this part. 1 2 3, again make these 3 lines. 1 1 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 2, that is 121. In this way we can make the square of any 2-digit number. Similar way, if you want to find another one, same way do the same calculation. Square of 2 is 2, square of 2 is 4, square of 1 is 1. Now again multiply 1 into 2 into 2, 1 into 2 into 2, that is, make 3 lines again. 4 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 into 2 2, 2 into 2 4, that is 144. In this way we can make the calculation. Try this up to 25 number. Suppose if you want to find the square of 25, just concentrate on the unit place value, that is 5. Okay, now value of 5, square of 5 is 25. Just multiply with the next number, that is 2 into 3. Here 2 into 3 is 6, and again write down this here 25. In that way you can easily calculate the value of any 5, 20, 15, 25, means the value whose unit digit is 5. Tricks to calculate the square of any number whose unit place value is 5. Suppose square of 5 is 25. Same way, this now consider on the 15. The 5 unit place is 5. Write down the unit place value square, that is 25, and square of 1 is square of 1 into 2, that is 1. Another number 1 into 2, that is 225. Same way, square of 25, the unit place value is 5, square of 25 is 25, and this 2 is 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3 is 6, 625, and so on. If you want to calculate the any other numbers, suppose 65, 6 into 7 and 25, 42, 25. Same way, 7 into 8, 25. Write down same as it is 25 here, and here 56, means 4225 for 65 square, and square of 75 is 5625. Same way calculate the any value whose unit place is 1. डिअर स्टुडंट, अशा प्रकारे तुम्ही स्क्वेअर कोणत्याही डिजिटचे काढू शकता. आणि जर हे बघा इकडे पण 5चा स्क्वेअर, 15चा स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे युनिट प्लेसचा जर 5 असेल तर इझिली कसं काढता येईल असं तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे. जर व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ.